The scientist's lair buzzed with energy. Wires snaked everywhere. Monitors glowed with complex equations. In the center stood the scientist, bathed in the red glow of his latest invention. He grinned, eyes full of manic energy. He was ready for a fight. Krishna entered the lair. It was like stepping into the belly of a metal beast. The air hummed with unseen power. The red light reflected off Krishna's skin, but it did not touch his serenity. "You mistake power for progress," Krishna said, his voice calm amidst the mechanical cacophony. Krishna's blue aura shimmered. It was a beacon of peace in the heart of the technological storm. He stood tall, a stark contrast against the chaotic backdrop. The scientist merely laughed. "Peace? I offer something better. Control." The scientist slammed his hand on a console. A monstrous machine whirred to life behind him. It crackled with red energy, its metal claws scraping the floor. Krishna did not flinch. He watched the machine with a knowing smile. "Control is an illusion," he said, his voice echoing in the vast chamber. The machine lunged, its metal claws aimed at Krishna. He moved with a speed that defied the eye. In a blink, he was behind the machine, his hand glowing with blue energy. The machine spun, firing a beam of red energy. Krishna sidestepped the attack. "My creations are the pinnacle of science!" the scientist roared. "You cannot defeat them!" Krishna raised his hand. The Sudarshana chakra appeared, spinning rapidly. It pulsed with a light that rivaled the sun. The scientist's smile faltered. He had not anticipated this. The chakra flew towards the machine. Metal shrieked as the divine weapon cut through it like butter. The scientist screamed in fury as his creation collapsed, sparks showering the room. He turned on Krishna, his eyes burning with hatred. "You think this ends here?" he spat, his voice hoarse with rage. "I have countless more." Krishna stood calmly amidst the wreckage. The blue aura around him intensified, pushing back the red light. "Your creations are no match for the true power of the universe," he stated. The scientist lunged, a weaponized glove crackling on his hand. But Krishna was faster. He caught the scientist's wrist, his grip firm. The scientist struggled, his face contorted with fury. "This is futile," Krishna said, his voice echoing with the power of 1,000 suns. The scientist snarled, his eyes blazing with defiance. But in that defiance, Krishna saw fear. The tide of the battle had turned. The scientist, for all his technology, was outmatched.